Wait a second, that's for me. Oh no.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County,
no,
Nicolay County, southeastern Madison County until 5 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near London, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, South Bloomfield, Lake Darby, Grandview Heights, Bogats, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Lafayette, Harrisburg, Orient, Lockwood, Darbyville, Chenoweth, and Georgesville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 96 and 101. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 80 and 109. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern